Andres, what number do you have there?
I have 48.
How many tens do you have?
4.
How many ones?
8.
Good job.
Okay, bye.
All right, what'd you guys do here?
I separated them. Says these were 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Divide those by 2, 2 and 2. So then divide the 40 into 2, and then divide that again into 4.
So where does that one go with?
They're all separated.
Okay, like this. Here's one equal group. Here's one equal group. Here's one equal group. See, they're all the same. Yours is not the same because you got like 10 way over here. Oh, there you go. You get it? There's 4 equal groups of the same
Number.
Yeah. Alan, how'd you do that problem? 296 divided by 2.
First I split the hundreds.
Yeah.
Then from the tens. And
Yeah.
also from the ones. And
Oh. And what did you have to trade? Wait a minute. You have to trade something in, don't you?
yeah,
What did you have to trade in?
10.
And where's the 10 ones? Did Victor give you 10 ones?
Yes. Yeah.
Where are they?
Right there.
Where?
In his hand.
Oh, okay. So now what are you going to do with those? You got to make 2 equal groups, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys see what he's doing on the TV? Oh, come on. Pay attention. See what he's doing all right. Okay, so now you got to make 2 equal groups. 2 groups that are the same. Hold on. I know he's thinking. Okay. Now where are your hundreds at? Okay. So those don't look they're. So who can help him out here? He's really close. He's got them all split up like evenly, but he has to make 2 circles, right? 2 groups. Can you help him, Lucia? Come over here and help him.
So you need to divide each way. Can you put them like this?
Oh, so you made 2 groups that are the same, right? Like that group is the same as that group? Okay. So what's your answer? 148. Good. All right, let's give Alan a big applause. Good job, Alan. Giselle, how many do you have there? Or
339.
300 and what?
39.
339. Good. How many do you guys have there? Oh, I like how you organize it. 339. Oh, nice. Jade, what are we going to do next?
We're gonna split them in half.
In half?
Into 2 groups.
2 groups? Look at a little number up there. What's the little number?
3 groups.
So 3 groups. Oh, hold on.
You have to show it. You have to show it.
It's a little out of focus here. All right. So where's 164?
1? No, because right now we're
64.
not separating
Now,
it. We're
how many
just
groups
showing
are you going to have? Split it up into?
2.
2. You divide into 2
64.
groups, right?
We're done.
Where is it?
164.
Oh. Where's yours?
Play food.
Plate food.
I'm
All right.
finishing up. Here it is.
Let's see. What you got here? Oh, where'd she go?
So 164.
Yeah, but it's 160.
Split the 100 into 250.
You have to split the 100 into 250s. Why?
Because we have to do 2 groups, and then you only have 100 right here. We have to split 50, so then 50 like that. 82.
What's your answer?
82.
Hold on, this thing's not working.
82.
82? Did you guys come up with 82?
Yeah.
82 in each one?
Yeah, we come up with 82.
Where's 82 over there? I don't see 82 over there.
We're right here.
All right. How about over here?
Over here.
You have to wait your turn. 82? Good. Let's check this table over here. 82? Uh-oh. Is that 82?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. How about over here? Is it 82? Where's 82? There's 80?
This is 82.
82? Okay.
The way we did it.
there was 400.
Yeah.
So we traded in with the banker, and then I didn't trade it in. So there were 6 or 7 traded in for 1. We started off with 4, but we had to divide it into 3. So we took away 1.
All right, stop.
When you can just watch it from here. We have to divide them into 3 groups, and we have 4. So we had to trade this one for 10s. And we made 3 circles, and we divide all these 10s into these 3s. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6.
Uh-oh. So that's the problem. So what do you do with those?
We traded into 1s.
So those 21s, good. Did you guys see how good of a banker Kevin was? He had everything ready.
2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7. And we have one more extra from the 1.
Okay, so how many hundreds do you have?
1. And we
No, how many hundreds do you have?
3.
300.
3.
How many ones do you have? I mean 10, sorry.
15.
15 ones? And how many, 15 tens? And how many ones? 21. All right, thank you.
Is going to see if we can take your super awesome building skills and
200, 5 tens. And how many ones? 8 ones? 8 ones.
Okay, give me a little thumbs up when you got your 200.
You guys got it?
8 ones.
You guys got it? Got it. Yeah, this was be the advanced group right here.
Okay, so we're going to start with 258.
Questions here. This is good.
Stop and look up front to show me that you're done dividing your hundreds when you're ready. With you everywhere you go when you get to be my age. It's embarrassing to take out blocks. And they get too many. So we're going to learn how to record. So the first question I'm going to ask you is how many hundreds went in each group? Look at your desk. How many hundreds in each group? How many? 100. How many hundreds in each of your groups?
1.
How many in each of yours? So I'm going to record. You guys told me how many?
1.
I'm going to record it right here because this is my hundreds place. So I have 100 in each group, okay? The next question is, how many hundreds did you just use? How much did you just put into your circles? So take a second and look. How much did you put into your circles, your groups? Okay? Yes, right here. How many did you use?
I used 200.
You used 200. How many did you use? 200. How many did you use?
200.
You all used 200. So I'm going to record that. Eyes up front so you see. Right here.
Oh, right there.
200. My last question is, how many blocks do you have left to divide? Look and count. How many blocks do you have left to divide? Look and see how many are left to divide. Good. Give your hands up when you're ready. How many are left? Give me a hands up when you know how many are left. Raise your hand when you know how many are left to divide. Do you know how many are left? Do you know how many are left? Okay, what do you have? How many left?
How many's left?
56. How many do you have? 58. How many do you have?
58.
How many do you have? 58. How many do you have? 58. 58. You should have here that you have 58 left. If you only had 56, you need to get 2 more so we have 58. Okay. Marley's way, you first divided your hundreds, you next divided your tens. So would you please divide your tens into those 2 equal groups and then stop. Don't divide one. Just your tens equally. Divide your tens and then stop. Look up front when you're done. Divide your tens into 2 equal
Hold on, she just said to stop.
Yeah, but we
She didn't say.
which is great that you know what to do, but we're going to stop. I'm going to ask you 3 questions again. Are you ready?
Shh, get ready.
Look down at your groups. I want to know how many tens went into each group. How many tens went into each group? This time I want everybody to show me on your fingers. How many tens were in each group? Show me on your fingers. How many tens?
Fingers, show her with your fingers, don't shout.
2. Beautiful. Okay, look up here.
Watch.
I'm going to write that up here because this is my tens place, right? This is my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. So you guys said you used how many tens in each group? 2. That goes in my tens place. My next question is, how many blocks did you just pass out all together right now? Look down. How many blocks did you just pass out when you passed out your tens? How many did you put into groups? How many did you just use?
4.
Yes. What did you use, buddy, in the red sweatshirt? What did you use? 4 tens. How many did you use? 4 tens? How many did you guys pass out? 4 tens. Now, who can tell me how much is 4 tens worth?
40.
How much is 4 tens worth? Yes, in the back. 40. So I'm going to record here that you just used 40 blocks. I have one more question for you. And you're going to look and then whisper to your neighbor, how many blocks do you have left to divide? Look and count. How many do you have left? How many is left to divide?
18.
Okay, raise your hand when you're ready. When you know how many, so I know you're ready to go on.
How many are left?
to divide?
18.
Oh. Okay,
Listen, look what she's doing.
right here. 18 is how much is left. Okay, some of you already have 18 ones. Some of you have 1 10 and 8 ones. If you only have 1 10, can you break that apart or do you have to go to your banker? So if you need to go to the banker, go ahead, divide your ones, and then stop. And then look up front when you're done. Divide your ones and then stop.
How many is that? 10? Okay. And then stop. She said stop, right? Divide them and stop. Yeah, there you
Divide
go.
your ones.
Wait.
Ones and stop. Divide them into the 2 groups.
Oh, yeah, divide them in 2 groups. Got it.
There's, okay, you lost the bag. Oh, it's okay, we'll find another one. You don't have the bag around? I'm not worried about the bag. Divide your ones and then stop.
Divide your ones
You
and then
divide your
stop.
ones into 2 groups. Divide your ones into 2 groups. Oh, what do you what is each group?
9 in each group? 9 in each group?
Yes.
Put in each group. Show me on your fingers. You might need to use 2 hands. How many ones went into each group? How many ones? 5 ones? Look at each group. Look and see. How many ones are in each group? Okay, say it out loud together. 9. Okay, I'm going to write that. Does anybody know where I'm going to write that? The 9 ones are in each group. Look for a second. Where do you think I'm going to write that answer? Yes.
On top of the 8.
Oh, because this is the
Ones place.
So I'm going to put that there's 9 ones in each group. My next question, how many ones did you just use all together? Look and see. How many ones did you just use all together? If you need to count, go ahead and count.
18. 16.
How many?
18.
Okay,
18?
how many did you use? 18. How many did you guys use? 18. So I'm going to record that right here. My last question, how many blocks do you have left to divide?
0.
0. I'm going to record that here. Okay, so now one final question. How many blocks are in each group? Look and tell your partner. How many are in each group?
Tell your partner, how many are each group?
Okay?
129.
How many each group?
129?
129.
Good job.
That's what showed up right
What? No way.
here. Okay.
What do you have there?
Perfect.
400, 2 10s, 9
All
ones. Good.
right.
1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Hold on, not yet. All she said was to do that, right? Yeah.
How many hundreds did you put in each group? Look, and then hold up fingers to show me. Show me how many hundreds went in each group. Okay, hands down for a sec. Some of you are showing me.
Where's that one gonna go?
Just point. Some point. Come on. Where do you think it's gonna go? Where do you think it's gonna go? The 100 that went in each group. Where do you think we're gonna put it? Where's that one gonna go? Okay, right. Where do you think it goes? Okay. Thank you, girls. So she said she thinks it goes in the tens. Who wants to agree or disagree? You can tell me. Okay? Okay. Disagree, tell me why. Okay. Who else wants to say something about that? Yes.
It's because that's where the tens go, the hundreds are supposed to go on top of the fours.
So this is where the tens go. Did we put tens in our groups yet?
No.
What did I ask you
just
to divide? Only the hundreds. So this was our tens place. So where do you think we're going to put the 100 then? Yes, buddy. In the hundreds place. I'm going to put it right here. Again, this is going to be hundreds worth. Yes, no, way back. 300. So I'm going to record that you just used 300 blocks.
300, nothing.
My third question, and you're going to have to count and then raise your hand when you're ready. How many blocks are left to divide? How much is left to divide? Count and raise your hand when you're ready. How much is left? Add up all your tens and then stop.
Go to the bank.
Okay, divide, go to the
Good.
bank.
Now divide your 10.
Write them down?
Yeah. Put them in there. Keep going. Good. Are you done? That was it?
Yeah.
Good. And stop.
What do you think? Oh, but okay, but good. But how do I get you to say 4? What's the question I would ask? How many tens are in each group?
Oh, how many 10s are in each group?
How many tens are in each group now?
I see math.
Show me. How many tens in each? Count and look. How many tens did you use all together right now?
How many 10s did you use all together?
Tens did you use all together? Okay, out loud, how many? 12. Now I need to know, how much is 12 tens worth?
Ooh.
How much is 12 tens worth? Wait for a second.
Think.
How much is ones into 3 equal groups and then stop? Divide your ones into 3 equal groups and stop.
Good. Damn, you guys are good.
All right, you guys are getting faster. I see them still dividing.
There's no
There
more
you go.
left.
Good job. How much?
There's no more
There's
left.
no more left? All right.
How much is left to divide?
0.
Final question. How much is in each group?
143.
Okay, now 100 does this for, don't say it out loud right now. What does this for? I see 2 of you not looking, so I'm not going to be able to answer. This for, what does it mean? I know it's a 4, but think for a second. What does this for mean? Think. I love how you guys think really good with your arms. Okay, talk to your neighbor. Tell them what you think that 4 means. 0. Where did the 0 come from? Why did Mrs. Hyde write a 0 up here? Up, think. Why is there a 0 right here? Tell your partner.